tourism at RMUTP.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tourism at RMUTP, broadcasted today on Wednesday, the 21st of September 2024 at 9 a.m. by ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร Now, you are with me, นนทพร กิติศรีปัญญา a lecturer of tourism major, Faculty of Liberal Arts. So, you are always with me every Wednesday morning. Well, this program is the 47th episode. Okay, for this episode, I continue to tell you about information of tourist attraction of Thailand for 4 regions. But today, I will tell you only one place for each week to make you know more about tourist attraction of Thailand. I think this program allows students of tourism major and other people who would like to learn and know more about Thailand in the perspective of tourism attraction. I think these programs allow students of tourism major and other people who would like to know more about Thailand in the perspective of tourism, which is known as tourist attraction in Thailand, have opportunity to acquire information document. Therefore, tourism at RMUTP is also essential for students of tourism major and other people who would like to be a specialist of tourist attraction and to impress about Thai culture. The program does not only provide listeners about important things that are knowledgeable and informative, it also allows people to acknowledge information for their future career and for a quick understanding of Thailand. And at the last part of the program, as usual, I also provide you news and latest updates from our university to get you to know and understand more about our university. Yes, our program has informed you more about Thailand and Thai culture, which is reflected by Thai people of all 4 regions. Thai culture includes Thai arts, Thai handicrafts, and also Thai food. And last week, I talked to you about information of tourist destination of 4 regions to make you know more about tourist attraction of Thailand, which is the Jade War Museum in the central city of Kanchanaburi. But today, I'm going to tell you another attraction in this province, which is the Death Railway in Sayok district. Well, the railway is known as Chong Khao Khat Railway, constructed at the same time as the River Kare Bridge was built by the Ali Force of War prisoner. It is located in Sayok district, about 50 kilometers away from the city of Kanchanaburi. The railway had to build through the mountain, and that is why it's called Chong Khao Khat. The construction was so difficult because of the high land, and the lots of life were sacrificed there. The rail was the route to connect to Burma. However, it is not used today because the Japanese project was ended when the war finished. Then the railway became tourist highlight for taking photos, and the area is turned into the museum. The railway as a wooden bridge before the tunnel. The is so steep along the cliff on the side and the other side by the Quai Noi River with the length of 450 meters. So it make burden to the train drivers like other places to commemorate the war prisoner. The press is famous for foreign visitors because the people who involved in the sad event always come to their bad memory and memorize to their relatives and friends. For Thai people, it is the place for excitement. Sitting on a train running along the dangerous route and for exploring the nature around the area. There is also a cave, Glace or Tham Glace Cave, where the prisoner used to live and died there. Oh. Now it's turned into a holy place for people to pay respect to the Buddha image. That's all from this part. Bye from now and see you again in next part. Now, welcome back to part 2, which I am going to tell you more detail about the dead railway. Well, how to go to the dead railway? People can just go there by taking the train from Thonburi station. It is departure point for train to Kanchanaburi along the Death Railway. Two trains operate daily. The first one is the local train number 257 departs at 7:45 a.m. And another one is number 259 which depart at 1:55 p.m. If you are returning to Bangkok on the same day, please catch the earlier train. The fare for the foreigner is 100 baht, regardless of the distance travel. If you prefer going by bus, you can also take a bus to Kanchanaburi and then get on near the bridge of the River Kwai. To be honest, the first 2.5 hours of train are not that interesting, but you won't be able to say you have been on the entire Death Railway line if you do that. Tickets cannot be purchased online or in advance, so arrive at the station about 30 minutes before departure and buy them at the ticket office at the station of Kanchanaburi. Don't worry about the tickets selling out. If you are coming here by boat, head to the Thonburi Station Pier in front of Siri Raj Hospital of Bangkok. The station is behind the hospital. I recommend you to visit the Death Railway once. I hope the information I share to you today is important and essential to others. I think it's vital to students of tourism major and important to the people who would like to be an English speaking guide of Thailand to recommend to the foreigners as a pride of Thailand, and I think foreigner will like it. Okay, that's all from this part. Hope to see you again. Okay, welcome back to part 3. Today, part 3 is about RMUTP news. It is to inform that the information of educational information, and it is really urgent an announcement issued to call for participants for training. Well, the Language Institution of Rajamongkol University of Technology Pranakon has announced that there will be an English training course for business English, which is considered to be vital to students who would like to apply for a job in the near future after graduating. The course is also for personal person who would like to brush up English for a good opportunity. The tuition fee is reasonable with only 300 Thai baht per course. The course provides the following details. The first one is job interview, job hunting, business writing, and introducing company and products. The course is available online and begins on the 29th of February to the 1st of March from 9 a.m. to 4 a.m. Participants who join this course will receive certificates after finishing the course. Interested people, please immediately scan the QR code at advertises on the website or contact directly to the telephone number 02-665-3777 extension 8321 or 6056 for available seat. Thank you. That's all from today's program. Please stay tuned with us and see you again. Please subscribe to our channel at www.englishonline.rmutp.ac.th or RMUTP at TikTok or Facebook at RMUTP and RMUTP Live. Thank you. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.
Tourism at RMUTP